Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Mypicture Photo Enamel Mug. So let's go ahead and open up the box. So in this box is a Mypicture personalized photo enamel mug. Now let's go ahead and open it up by, of course, tearing open the packing strip or strap and lifting the box lid. Which we seem to be struggling slightly here. And let's lift out the protective insert from the packaging, and of course lifting the mug out from the box and just setting the box to the side and giving you a full and clear look at this Mypicture Photo Enamel Mug. And now taking a close-up look at the mug. So you can see it has been personalized with a photo and text as well. And just giving you a look as to the overall design and size of this mug. So we can see the enamel coating on the metal body of the mug to give you some idea of the material and construction of this mug. So you can see that it does have an overall white body, and just resting the mug in my palm to give you some sense of the size and scale of this enamel mug. Of course, right there with the picture facing the camcorder, and of course gripping and holding the mug. So this mug, as you can see, does have that personalized picture printed on the mug, as well as text. So the text is the Lato text, and the picture is in the right portrait layout and measures approximately 6 centimeters by 6 centimeters. So you can see it does have a square shape. And just giving you a closer look at the print quality and details of the mug. Right there you can see that it does have a glossy or shiny finish to the mug's design, and of course it does have a stainless steel exposed rim right there in the bare metal, and it does have a very smooth satin finish, as you can see, with the light playing against that bare surface. And as to the handle, giving you some close-up looks at the handle of this mug. And of course the bottom as well, giving you some idea as to the sturdiness of this mug. And taking a look directly inside, you can see it does have a sloped rim that contours nicely into the mug itself. And right there, once again, giving you a further out look. So lightweight, robust with that glossy enamel finish, and of course personalized with the picture, and of course using the site's Lato text with that 2021 date on it. So that's the Mypicture Photo Enamel Mug. Thanks for watching and happy drinking!